So when you are mapping someone with downturned eyes like Juliana, it's best to taper down on the outer corners. So what can happen if you bring the longest length all the way out to the outer corner is you're going to give her the appearance of sad, droopy, or tired eyes. And it's just going to emphasize the fact that she has downturned eyes. If you taper down to shorter lengths, it's just going to give the outer corner a little bit of a lift and open up the eye. So for Juliana's longest length, we went with an 11 because that was what the average length of her lash line was, which means we're going to taper down to a 9 and a 10 on the outer corners just to give the outer corner a little bit of a lift. The majority of the outer corners are going to be 10, but on the very outer corner where everyone tends to have grassier lashes, we're going to taper down to 9 and even an 8mm. So when I say grassy lashes, I don't think that's actually a term, it's just what I call them. What I'm referring to is basically baby lashes in the lash line. This is what they look like. So we can't actually lash them. We definitely can't put a 10mm on them because they would just weigh them down, snap off, and become damaged lashes. So you either leave them untouched or you put an extremely thin and short lash on them just to kind of keep consistency with the lash line.